I'm Pulkita, and I'll discuss chapter 14 of the book Atomic Habits, written by James Clear. The title of this chapter is How to Make Good Habits Inevitable and Make Bad Habits Impossible. The name of the chapter is exactly what this chapter talks about. James says that sometimes success is less about making good habits easy and it's more about making bad habits hard. We can use a technique which is the psychologist says as commitment device. So commitment device is all about your present decisions which is going to impact your future. There are many ways to apply the commitment device, and example, you can reduce overeating by buying things in individual packages rather than in bulk size. You can voluntarily ask and to be added in the banned list of all the casinos and online poker sites to prevent future gambling sprees. The best way to break the bad habit is to make it impractical to do. Increase the friction that you don't even have an option to act. I mean, even if you want to, you can't do it. So I'll give you some of the examples of what these actions are. For example, for nutrition, buy a water filter to clean your drinking water and use smaller plates to use calorie intake. I mean, it's just a suggestion. For productivity, you can unsubscribe for emails, turn off the notifications, and mute the group chats. And you can use email filters in your inbox and delete the games, unnecessary social apps. For happiness, get a dog or move to a friendly and social neighborhood. For finance, enroll in the automatic savings plan, set up the automatic bill pays, and ask the service providers to lower your bills. So we should also get things automated by putting technology to work for ourselves as much as possible. And similarly, for medicine, prescriptions can be automatically refilled. For personal finance, employees can save for retirement with the automatic wage reduction. For cooking, meal delivery services can do your grocery shopping. When you automate as much as possible things in your life, you can spend your effort on the task machines cannot do yet. Each habit that we hand over to the authority of technology frees up the time and energy to pour into next stage of your growth. So there is a chapter summary of this chapter. The inversion of third law of behavior change is to make it difficult. In a commitment device is a choice you make in present and that locks in better behavior in future. The ultimate way to lock in future behavior is to automate your habits. One-time choices like buying a better mattress or enrolling in an automatic savings plan are single actions that automate your future habits and deliver the increasing returns in the future. Using technology to automate your habits is the most reliable and effective way to guarantee the right behavior. We come to the end of this chapter and stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.